Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to see how we can style our data table in Vue. So let's get started with today's video. So firstly, let me show you Vue. Here you can see table. So it's having entries. So let me show you database. Here you can see it's having 55 total entries. All these are like sample data. So you can change it to 25. So it is like 25 will be visible. So in code, let me show you table first. So here you can see table which having id contact table, and I have given class display, and on mounted you can see that table is initialized and columns are passed. That's the ajax url that is loading data for this table, and actions is having edit button, delete button. So now let me show you backend. So api.php, you can see contact list is going to contact controller index function. And in index function, you can see contact model. I'm just fetching all entries and sending as response. Let me show you documentation. So here you can see class options. So display, cell border, compact, hover, all those you can use. So I have used display, and also you can use for particular column if you want to align it text or like left side, corner, right side. So you can use these classes. So here you can see display. It's a combination for like strip, hover, all those things. Cell border is just that border it will be displaying. Compact, you can see it's not having any border or cell. It's a small like table compact. So that's why it's given compact class. So let me show you this one. So now you can see that strip is like row is removed. It's all white now, and you can see there is no like padding also, and no spacing, and message is taking complete length. And email also, like header also, you can see no padding, no margin, nothing. And if I revert that to display, then you can see header is having more spacing and padding. Now let's check responsiveness of this table. So let's check in phone mode. So you can see scroll bar is visible, so we can scroll through this. Now let's check for any other screen. Let's say iPad Pro. Let's zoom to 100%, and now you can see it's responsive, it's scrollable. So here you can see message is taking so much of space. Let's give width to that. So write class, let's say message style, and after script let's create style tag and close that, and inside that write dot message style and give width. So let's say width, let's say 30%. So now you can see it's taking, and now edit and delete button is in line. So now let's try to increase 45%, but now edit and delete button again are in different lines. So let's revert that to 40% only. Now let's give class to phone, phone style, and also give class to email style. So now let's define these in style. So write dot email style, let's give width, and let's say width 15%. I think that will be enough. Let's check in browser. Looks like fine only. Now let's check one more class. Let's say row border. Now let's see. So here you can see script class is removed. It's just white background now. So next let's check column styling. So let's check text. So here write class name, and class name will be dt body. Let's say right. So right alignment we need. So now let's check in browser. So email column you can check text is aligned to right hand side. So now let's check with phone number as well. So let's remove this from here and add to phone. Now let's check, and you can see phone number text is aligned to right hand side. So now let's give to header as well. So add here dt, and it will be head and right hand side. So now let's check for phone number. So now you can see phone heading text is also now in right hand side. So that's all in this video. In this video, I've shown you some basic styling that is provided in data table that you can use, that how you want your data table to be styled. It's depend on your project and requirements. So that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. In my next video, I'll show you how to do pagination in data table. So if you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.